This is the cheese. Alcasa. Which one is it? We will try this one, mga palangga. 8 franc.
Okay. Yeah, we'll try that.
Hello mga palangga, so I'm here just down from Grindelwald and we saw this called Alcasa. It's like if you want to buy a cheese to go, wala siyang cashier, maliit lang siya na shack, ikaw ang papasok, controlled siya ng CCTV, tapos bibili ka ng kung anong gusto mo, tapos ilalagay mo lang yung bayad mo doon. So come and join me, susubukan natin yung cheese to go. Mga palangga, yan yung cheese to go nila, you see? Papasok tayo dyan, tapos mamimili tayo ng... Yeah. Papasok tayo dyan. Can you hold? Let's go! Tada! So this is it. Pwede kang bumili lang kung ano-anong gusto mong bilhin dito. Tapos, ito yung cheese nila. This is the cheese. Alcasa. Which one is it? We will try this one, mga palangga. 8 franc.
Okay. Yeah, we'll try that.
So, bibilhin natin itong 8. What else? Okay, so it's 8 franc. So, magbibigay tayo ng 8 franc. This is the word we have to pay. Can I take? No, I cannot. I'm so happy. So this is 2 franc, 2 and 2. So the apat na 2.
The big one's 5. Yeah, that's it.
These are 2.
All 2s, yeah, 8 francs.
Yeah. So this is 2, all are 2. Ilalagay lang natin yung 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. So we're done. Meron na tayong cheese. We are taking it from, it's Alcasa, means cheese from the Alps. Okay. So this is how we go to Alcasa. Thank you so much. Thank you. So babalik na tayo sa ating car.